This sensor is called a motion sensor, but what if I tell you it does not actually detect motion? What you are about to see will change how you understand PIR sensors. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. For this experiment, I am using an ESP32 DevKit V1 Type-C, a 30-pin terminal adapter for the ESP32, a PIR motion sensor, a 20x4 LCD with I2C backpack, a breadboard, and some jumper wires. The experiment. First, I filled a mug with hot water and moved it in front of the PIR sensor. As you can see, the sensor immediately detects motion. Now here is where it gets interesting. I held cold water in my hand for a long time, so my palm became cold. Then I waved that cold hand in front of the sensor. Nothing happens, no motion is detected. But watch this. The moment I switch my hand to the other side, the warmer side of my body, the sensor suddenly detects motion again. So what is really happening here? The PIR sensor is not detecting motion the way our eyes do. It is not tracking movement. It is detecting changes in heat, specifically infrared radiation. When the hot mug moves, there is a strong heat difference, so detection happens. When my hand is cold, there is almost no heat difference, so there is no detection. And when the warm part of my body moves across the sensor detection zones, the heat changes and the sensor triggers. So the truth is simple. A PIR motion sensor does not detect motion, it detects changes in heat. Using infrared motion is just the side effect. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.